Tonight, only on 11 Alive, Adriana Smith, the pregnant woman on life support, has delivered her baby. Just last night, I had the opportunity to sit down with Smith's mother, April Newkirk, who says baby Chance arrived Friday by emergency C-section.
He's fighting. He's in the NIC unit. He's about 1 pound, 13 ounces. And he's expected to be okay. He's just fighting. We just want prayers for him. Just keep praying for him. He's here now.
For Newkirk, the joy of her new grandson comes along with the gut-wrenching pain of saying goodbye to her daughter. We just confirmed in the last hour, doctors took Smith off of life support early today. Doctors declared Smith brain dead nearly 4 months ago after she suffered a medical emergency linked to blood clots in her brain. Her case drawing national attention and raising questions about Georgia's heartbeat abortion law, which doctors cited as the reason to keep her alive. Smith's family has expressed concerns about the quality of care she received at Northside Hospital, where she first went for help. 11 Alive's Molly Oak spoke with a personal injury attorney about whether the family has any recourse against the hospital or the state.
When Alex Weatherby heard what happened to Adriana Smith,
I was shocked. I mean, it's a really tragic situation. I have 2 daughters of my own, and so as a father, my heart goes out to them because it's just horrific.
He's a medical malpractice attorney.
And then under the nature of the circumstances, it's unfathomable.
The family previously told 11 Alive their concerns about months of medical bills. Here's what he says they could do legally.
Essentially, you'd be looking at a civil lawsuit to try to recover some medical bills, expenses, pain and suffering, things like that.
He says there are 2 things the hospitals could have done wrong.
One is, did they release Miss Smith without performing the proper exams to determine if she had blood clots and could have stopped this altogether? The second is, once they had failed to do that and she already had the blood clots and now was on life support, did they have to maintain her life according to this law?
Another question, what problems does he see with the state's law?
The existing law is definitely unclear, in my opinion. It essentially was written with the common exceptions that we hear about in political fodder, rape and incest, life of the mother.
Weatherby says changes need to be made to get some answers.
For me, it raises whether the exceptions are enough to encompass all the situations that expectant mothers and young childs may find themselves in. And are we protecting doctors and protecting human life or not?
That was Molly Oak reporting. Today, Georgia Congresswoman Nikema Williams introduced legislation to repeal laws that ban or criminalize abortion. In a statement, she says, while Georgia's Attorney General has stated that nothing in the Life Act explicitly mandates keeping a brain-dead patient on life support, the lack of formal legal opinion or prosecutorial guidance leaves families and doctors in limbo.